Good morning, my name is Jeremy Way. I'm the TSAR coordinator for SETRAC, the Southeast Texas Regional Advisory Council. We're doing a large-scale, full-scale MCI exercise today involving every area, fire department, police department, EMS agency, a lot of them out of the area. We're doing MCI triage training, something we don't get enough of, and the way the world's going today, we need plenty of it. So anyway, we're going to do 3 evolutions. We'll have an active attack evolution inside the Civic Center, simulating an active attack inside there. We're going to have 2 motor vehicle crashes outside, one involving a large-scale fire. We've got about 50 patients that will be moulaged up, pediatrics and adults, and we're looking forward to it. It's going to be great training.
Post door left. Door, hold that. Hold that. I got it.
Got one down.
Got one down.
Multiple down up front.
I got him.
I'm waiting for it.
Sir, are you all right?
Coming out, coming out.
Need one.
Matt. We're good. We're good.
No, Matt.
No, Matt, pull back.
Don't move. Otherwise, apply as much pressure as you can right here.
I got shot, it burns and it hurts so bad.
There's one in the corner.
Please that. On the north end of the building. That's about all I heard.
Yellow. Yellow? Yes, sir. Red.
Any more?
Red.
Where Red's going?
All the way down there by the guy with the red shirt.
I want you to lean up here, okay? Ready?
Help! They're dying! They can't breathe! Help! Oh my God, he's on fire!
We got her on a sheet. Let's go.
Is it? There's no one to talk to about. Is there unequal rise of?
1, 2, 3, go. Oh, you got her?
I still can't breathe.
Clint, what do you need? Where's Red's going?
Shot in the chest.
It's easier.
They're coming this way.
Because I feel this. I can't breathe. If they don't help me breathe, I will die. Oh my God. Where are we at? Why am I strapped down? Help me breathe.
Is this Red?
Holy crap.
All right. Let me see your hands. Let me see your hands. Fire, 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 fire.
What's our number, Joe?
All right, I have 1, 2, 3. I got 4 blacks.
Clear!
Save my money.
That's it. Bars, that's how you do it.
Three. All right, up. Up. Wait, no, here. You need to pull her up. Speak to me. Hurry! All right. Are we good?
I'm burnt. I can't breathe. Help me.
Alright, and where are you hurt? You were bit.
Okay, well that's different.
Are you hurting
So
anywhere else?
this is not your blood?
Are you burning anywhere?
Okay.
Where are you hurting?
I was trying to help someone.
Okay. And the side of your face as well? Are those burns? Or?
Don't move. PA Finance.
Florida University. 205.
Fort Bend County. Fire.
Now, can you introduce yourself?
Captain Crystal Holmes, Jefferson County Sheriff's Office.
Alton Bates, Chief of Police, Port Arthur Independent School District.
Section Chief Carmen Apple with the Texas Division of Emergency Management.
Jeremy Rayleigh, Crime Stoppers of Southeast Texas.